Okay, finally got the finishing touches on my boat that I bought last year. Put the, I'm missing 3 screws, man. I was 3 screws short. Anyways. So anyway, I got this boat for like $100 for my pond. And got another one for $200 down there the other day. And so the seats in it were horrible. They were weathered and cracking. And so I went down and bought some poplar. And I lacquered it. On the backside, I just painted it with Kilz. And then put some polyurethane, virathane, whatever the heck they call it, on it. And about probably 5 or 6 coats on the seats. So I think this ought to last a while, and just for tootling around the ponds here. And we got friends, we come over and we, right now I got all the pond pollen has found its way into here. I got to get me gotta get a net and aeration going, and boy, I got a lot of stuff to do, man. I don't know if I, it's a beautiful place, but there's a lot of work that needs to be done. And it's so peaceful right now. You can hear the woodpeckers, the birds, bullfrogs every now and then. There's lots of bullfrogs. Got lots of bass in there. But anyway, just my little project. I got projects I'm doing. I just did another one at home. I worked on this the other day and I ran out of material, so I had to restock. But yeah, I think it's going to be a fun little boat to paddle around in.